Hi, I'm Rob from Keyless Entry Systems. Today I'd like to introduce you to the K7 push-pull biometric fingerprint lock. The K7 has a wealth of options. We have fingerprint scanner, we have keypad, we've got a swipe card, Bluetooth, and we also have physical key. The capacity of each of these options: fingerprint we have 100 capacity, key code's 10 plus the master code, RF is 100, Bluetooth is 10 plus. The construction of the K7 is zinc alloy, so it's resistant to rust and corrosion. The glass is tempered, 5A tempered glass, so it's quite resistant to vandalism and people trying to basically damage it from the outside. Now if we head on inside, so the K7 is automatic, so when I shut the door, you hear the deadbolts activate. You can actually disable that mode, so you can go from automatic, which it is at the moment, to manual. So if you're coming in and out of the home, you can get in easily without having to put your code or your fingerprint in every time you come in and out. The K7 takes 4 or 8 batteries. With 4 batteries, it's been tested for 5,000 opening and closing test cycles, so it has plenty of capacity. But if you wanted to extend it, you can actually put in an extra 4 batteries, which will extend your battery life. To open, we just simply pull it back, and away we go. Now, if we go out and we don't shut the door properly, you're going to get a warning. Okay, so simply just shut the door properly, and you're done. The K7 comes with 2 mortise options. We have triple in this case, or single mortise, so it only has one single deadbolt. Stainless steel construction, so it's very solid. If we come round to the back, okay, and there you have it. That's the K7 fingerprint, keypad, RF card, Bluetooth and physical key, keyless entry. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to contact us on 1300 873 539. Otherwise, thanks for watching.